The 2025 Nissan Kicks subcompact crossover has an entirely new exterior and interior design. The outside of the Kicks has changed into a more modern version of the previous year's model, with bolder but simpler front and back fasciae. The 2025 Nissan Kicks pricing range is expected to start at $23,000 and up to $26,000 depending on the model and accessories. Nissan is replacing the Kicks 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with a 2.0-liter single rated for 141 horsepower and 140 pounds-to-foot of torque. The SV and SR models include a 12.3-inch color touchscreen and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the base S model has a standard 7.0-inch touchscreen. The SV and SR get two USB-C ports. The SR also includes two USB-C ports for rear passengers. The S only has one Type A USB port. Standard features include a 4-speaker Bluetooth stereo with an auxiliary connection. The SV model adds SiriusXM satellite radio, while the SR model reduces the number of speakers to 6. Cargo room increases, but AWD requires a little amount of trunk space due to the added drive hardware. In particular, there are 29 cubic feet behind the second row in front-wheel drive vehicles, and 24 cubic feet in all-wheel drive. Folding the rear seats provides 59 cubes in the front driver and 50 with all-wheel drive. Nissan offers a wide range of standard driver assistance systems, such as automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert, across all model types.